10 weird signs that you have liver damage. In this video, we're going to be taking a deep dive into 10 weird signs and symptoms of liver damage. These are very important signs to be aware of, because you can stop this disease from progressing and getting worse, because your liver is able to completely regenerate with a little help. Liver disease is a condition that is affecting over 25% of people worldwide, and this number is growing at a rapid rate. Most people believe that liver damage comes from only drinking too much alcohol, but the truth is, it can also be caused by eating too many sweetened, sugary, or processed foods and drinks, by consuming too many omega-6 vegetable oils and fast foods, using painkillers too often like ibuprofen, having too much elemental iron in the body, and also toxins from the environments like pesticides, plastics, petroleum, and the list goes on and on. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical conditions. 1. The first symptom of liver problems is pale stools when you use the toilet. Your liver releases conjugated bile acids to help digest fats from your food, which give your stool its normal brown color. If you have fatty liver disease or liver damage, bile will stop flowing properly through the bile ducts, causing your stool to become lighter, paler, or clay-colored. 2. Poor night vision. If you notice that it's much more difficult to focus or see at nighttime, especially where here's poor lighting, this may indicate a retinol or a vitamin A deficiency. The bile that comes from your liver helps you to absorb vitamin A to help the rod cells in your eyes adapt to different levels of light. Having liver disease can cause a lack of bile so that you don't absorb enough vitamin A, triggering what we call night blindness. 3. Swollen right foot. When the blood isn't flowing normally through your liver, it can become swollen and enlarged, which puts pressure on the portal vein. This causes fluid or water to accumulate in the legs or feet. And then, when you press your finger into the swollen area, it may leave an indentation. If you notice that the right foot in your ankle is more swollen than the left, this is an extremely common sign that you may have liver damage, and you may want to use a natural remedy to improve its function. 4. Yellowed skin. When your liver isn't working properly and filtering this bilirubin from your blood, the pigment can also start to change the color of your skin. This can cause a yellowish tinge to the skin called jaundice, which is a sign that there is some serious damage in the liver, such as arthritis, cirrhosis, drug or medication poisoning. 5. Dark urine. Your liver has the job of breaking down old red blood cells, which contains this yellowish pigment called bilirubin. Now, if your liver or the gallbladder becomes damaged, this pigment can start to build up inside the body, and then it can be flushed through the urine, causing your pee to have a very strong dark orange, amber, brown, or cola color because your liver isn't breaking down the pigment normally. This can also be caused by certain medications that are weakening your liver, like antibiotics, sleeping pills, or birth control pills. 6. Purple and red spots. When your liver is congested, inflamed, or damaged, it produces less proteins that are needed for normal blood clotting. This means that you can bruise more easily, and quite often unusual purple or red bumps can appear as a rash on the skin, as well as small red patches. This often happens around the lower legs or the arms, and it's caused by the poor blood circulation triggered by liver disease, or possibly diabetes. 7. White or clubbed nails. If your fingernails begin to turn all white in color, losing their pink color, take on a rounded, clubbed, or bulbous appearance, this can indicate that there is some serious liver damage or another underlying health condition, which is preventing oxygen from reaching the nail matrix. It, in the 1950s, was discovered that 8 out of 10 people with severe liver scarring had all white nails. 8. Right-sided pressure. If you have a lot of pressure or pain on the right side of your rib cage, especially after you eat, bile from your liver is turning into a sludge, which is clogging up the little tubes connected to your gallbladder and causes a sensation of pressure and pain around the ribs. This can also put pressure on the phrenic nerve, causing muscle tightness and pain in the area around your right shoulder. 9. White or yellowish growths around your eyelids. These are small pockets of cholesterol deposits that build up under your skin because your liver isn't breaking down cholesterol properly, causing it to back up into different areas of the body. 10. Spider veins. Spider veins look like small red dots with spider-like extensions of blood vessels that appear on the skin. Thank you for watch. I also let you hear 2 videos that may enrich your lifestyle and make you to want to be healthier. See you soon. Stay curious.